Hi everyone. This video provides you with 4 methods for the Diskpart failed to clear disk attributes issue. You can have a try if you are facing this error. Method 1. Remove the read-only attribute of the problematic file. Press Windows and E to open File Explorer. Right-click the file or folder inside the target disk. Then select Properties. Uncheck the read-only option. Click Apply and then OK to apply the change. Close File Explorer. Method 2. Check disk errors. Right-click the Start icon and select Run. Type CMD in the Run dialog box. Press Ctrl, Shift and Enter to run command prompt as administrator. Type the command on the screen and press Enter to execute it. You should replace G with the drive letter of your drive. Exit command prompt. Method 3. Remove write protection via Registry editor. Press Windows and R to open the Run dialog. Type Regedit in the box and press Enter. Navigate to HKEY local machine. System. Current Ctrl Z. Control. Find and highlight storage device policies under Control. Right-click on the blank in the right window. Move your cursor to New and then click DWORD 32-bit value. Name the new value as Write Protect. Double-click the newly created value and then change its value to 0. Click OK to save the changes. Exit Registry editor. Right-click the Start icon. Select Shutdown or Sign Out and click Restart to restart your PC. Method 4. Format the drive to FAT32, NTFS, or exFAT. Launch Minitool Partition Wizard. Right-click the target partition and then select Format. Select FAT32, NTFS, or exFAT as the file system and click OK. Click Apply and Yes to execute the operation. Click OK and you can see the drive is formatted successfully. Close Minitool Partition Wizard. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.